Hello everyone, welcome to another Roblox game development tutorial. In today's tutorial we're actually going to make it possible for you to spawn at these different spawns. I know last tutorial I didn't get around to actually testing the script we made. Reason for that is because I spent 17 minutes kind of like preaching code at you guys. And I'm sorry if you guys got annoyed by that, but what I taught that episode, it was so fundamental and so kind of like you don't need to know it, but it was also so important to understand some of the concepts I was getting at in that episode. I'll try not to be so livid if you guys didn't like that. If you did like that, okay, maybe I could get a little more pumped up for these episodes. It's up to you guys, really. But for right now, we're going to test that by pressing F7, then Alt F7, and then, just testing it out. And then we're going to, for today, work on the script that actually spawns you at these different spawn locations. Alright? So we know their stage is going to be originally 0. So stepping on 0 is not going to give us any result except maybe an error. So we'll step on 0 first to see if there's any errors. We'll also pull out our light and we'll turn it on when it works. Okay? Alright, there's no errors. And watch it. Boom! My stage changed, guys. And now walking over 1 doesn't change anything. Let's go check. Does walking over 0 change it? Nope. I've still got 1. Alright? So that's a good thing. That's a very good thing. Alright, so our code worked from last episode. Good thing I didn't get so worked up just to fail. That would be sad. Alright. So in this episode, like I said, we're going to spawn them at wherever they're supposed to be. So, go to the workspace, and in our script, which is currently the leader stats script, we're also going to do player.character added connect function char. Alright? And now, the first step in this, because even though their character's added, the event kind of fires before their character is completely loaded. So the best idea here is, at least as far as I know, I have not gotten word on a better way to do this yet. But the best I can think of is waiting 1/10 of a second and then continuing. And we're going to call a function, which is move character to spawn, and we'll feed the character and the player. So up at the top, we're going to create a new function. Function, hold on, is this the right size text? Hold on a second, guys. Alright, sorry about that. The script text was not the right size. I know that means all of last episode. It was not the right size, but hopefully I was loud enough that you guys can understand it. And I'll zoom in. I haven't edited that video yet, guys. I'm recording sequentially right now. So I will edit that video and try to get closer up on the text if I can. Alright? So function move character to spawn. It takes the character and the player in that order. And then at the end, of course, end. Alright, so move character to spawn char player. What we're going to do is we're going to take the player's spawn number. So spawn equals game.workspace.obby spawns, and we're going to use this kind of style, and we're just going to use player.leaderStats.stage.value. Alright? That'll be a number. So we'll concatenate a empty string to kind of switch it over to a string rather than a number, because then the script might be the number 1 thing there, and that'd be a huge problem. Alright, so spawn equals game.workspace.obby spawns. Next, alright, is going to be char. Okay. Nah, I can't really help too much here other than just doing this. Alright, char move to. I don't know if I've ever showed you guys this move to thing before, but it's move to, alright, and it works on all models. and it's going to move them to a vector 3 position. You just supply that here. You need a vector 3 here. So it's going to be spawn.position plus vector 3.new 0, and we want to just bump them up 3 in the air so that they actually fall on the spawn rather than get stuck in the spawn. Alright? Because remember, the spawn's position is the center of the spawn. This position of your actual character is like sort of the bottom of your, or the middle-ish bottom of your torso. And if those two were to be the exact same place, you'd be stuck. So we'll just bump you up 3. That should be safe. Alright? So char move to spawn.position plus vector 3.new, and we actually need one more. There we go. So that's all we're going to do. And I'm actually going to see, instead of this wait 0.1, what if we just did repeat wait until player.character does not equal nil? Maybe that'll work. I don't know. I've actually never tried it. So, cross your fingers here. Alright, so if it works, our player should spawn at 0 when we press Alt F7 and get him going. Oh, I failed. See, this is why you should not program in Java all day and then switch to Roblox for tutorials. It's because I used the Java does not equal. Does not equal in Lua is a squiggly line that I don't know the name of, and then the equal sign. In a lot of other languages, including scripting languages, it's just an exclamation mark and then the equal sign. So I'm sorry about that, guys. Let's just hope that this works. Alright? I know the problem now. Okay. We never disabled and re-enabled it. Okay. Now when we press Alt F7, this should work. And I'm going to go to the actual editor, place 2 real quick. I'm going to change that right now before I forget. There we go. Okay. We're good. And alright, so he did not get caught. Alright, so we're going to go into this script and we're going to change it back to wait 0.1 then. And 0.1 just to make it clear reading. No. Darn, numlock. No. Thank you. Alright, numlock. There we go. Alright. So now Alt. Wait, no. That wasn't in the server. Okay. That was in the actual script? Yeah. Alright. So we'll press F7 again and then Alt F7. Sorry, guys. I just wanted to test that out, too. And it's always good to learn, even if you're the guy teaching. Ask any of your teachers at school, and they'll probably say that I'm wrong. But I don't care. Waiting for... There we go! We spawned at the right place! Awesome! Alright, so apparently that repeat wait just wasn't going to work. Alright, and now we're going to step on this here. Our stage changed to 1. Yay! Turn on our light. Sure. Okay, so the stage changed to 1. And now I am just going to reset, basically. And see if we spawn at 1 or not. Yes, we did spawn at 1 because we're more to this side. Yeah, away from the spawn. Further from the spawn is 1. Closer to the spawn is 0, guys. That's how I'm keeping track of it. You can keep track of it any other way you want. But alright, that is where we spawned. It works! That's awesome. Alright, I think that actually finishes our Obby spawns. I was expecting to go through till tomorrow with this still. I thought, and I probably should have, with how long last episode and this episode are. But we got it done! High five yourselves, guys! Alright, awesome job. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like or the dislike button, corresponding to how you felt about this video. And I will catch you guys later.